Good morning, guys. How are you doing, guys? You're welcome back to my channel, guys. If today is the first time on this channel, you're very welcome. And please press the subscription button, press the like button, and press the notification button, please, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for watching me. Thanks for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. So this morning I have an appointment with my physio. So I'm going for my physio appointment. That's where I'm going now. Then from there I'm going to get my I want to buy him a phone cover. I'll quickly go to the shop to get that. Then I want to buy a pair of trainers for work. Then I'll go there. I'm off for like 4 days, so I'm going to be resting. I'm not even going to do any recipe video or anything. I just want to rest. So guys, I'll see you guys in the town. Bye. Hi guys. So I finished with my physiotherapist. I'm going to the store now where I'm going to buy my trainers. Then I'll quickly get my son's phone cover. Then I'll go back home. I don't have anything to do in the town today, and I don't want to roam around. It's actually raining, so I'll go back home to do other things. I'll see you guys in the store. Buy winter jackets too. Very thick winter jackets. This is not bad. Look at that, guys. I want it to be very big so that I'll have to layer up inside it, so that I'll be able to layer up inside it with all my jumpers and all the rest. I think I'll pick one of this. It's okay, it's reasonable. 50 euros. How much is a 50 euro 2XL? That's okay too, because winter is on its way. We need to. Let me look at my shoe first. I shop for every season. You shop for summer, you shop for winter, you shop for spring or autumn. I really need a pair of shoes that would be so good in snow, in winter actually, because during the snow season, I'm not sure I'm confident to drive to work. I prefer to go by bus. So that's why I'm looking for a shoe that has good grip, that wouldn't fall me down during winter. I don't mind this. Skechers are nice. If I find my size in this, I'll go for it. Let me talk to somebody here. I love Skechers. The one I'm wearing now is Skechers, and I've been wearing it for like 2 years. So nice. I'm at least 1.5 years actually. It's not up to 2 years. Guys, which one do you like the most? The black one or the white and black? I love the white and black. Yeah, guys, they don't have it in my size, and it came down from 60 euros to 48. Unfortunately, I don't have it. They don't have it in my size. I'll try this on. This is the same thing but in black, and I don't like black carpet. I've started window shopping. Window shopping is what I love to do. Wow, Christmas mood. Cushion, whatever it is called. This is gorgeous. I'm thinking of changing my living room to yellow and navy blue. I want to change the cushion in the living room. I actually change my living room, the theme, every summer so that it looks fresh and new to us. But this summer I didn't change it because of COVID. This thing, we're not in the mood to look fancy. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, I love this, but it's expensive. I can buy this for 30 euros. It's beautiful though, but it's still on the high side for me. I would have gone home for this. Now, I want to change my children's bath towels. So I've picked their colors. And we used to have all white towels, but now I want to color code it for them so that it will be distinctive wherever it is. You will know who owns it. So I've picked the colors for them there. I'll show you guys very well when we get home. Now I have finished everything I came to do in the town. I bought the iPhone case, I bought my shoes, I even overbought. I bought what I didn't plan. There are all things that I'll need, that I'll still need to buy. So it's okay. So it's time for me to go home now and rest. The girl is tired. She's going home. Yeah. Thanks for shopping with me today. I appreciate that. And please don't forget, guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, there's no point waiting. I promise to give you lovely videos every week. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I promise to give you beautiful videos at least once a week. I will upload once a week. There are days that I'll have time to upload twice, but at least once a week, or notification for a new video. So please don't be afraid, don't be skeptical to subscribe to my channel. Press the notification button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. This place is dark. Let me try to see what I can do to brighten it up, because I'm at the what am I doing? I'm at the basement or wherever. Parking, the car park is underground. Yeah, I'm at another underground car park. I am at an underground car park. English warrior, waiting. You almost removed my teeth, Seth. You guys in the kitchen when I'm hauling everything that I bought. I'll show you everything that I bought. So I'll see you guys when I get inside. Hey guys, right? I'm back home now. So I want to show you everything that I bought. All the things I didn't buy much actually. I actually went to buy my shoes, but then when I got there, I discovered that there are things that we'll need in the house. So I decided to kill two birds with one stone. Yeah, so I'll show you all the things I bought now. So I bought this Skechers pots. So it's from 60 euros to 48 euros, which is a good deal. I actually wanted the white one. I showed you the white and black in the store, but they didn't have my size, so I got this. It's for work. Then for the sole is very okay for winter, so that I won't fall down in winter. So I'm padding up seriously for winter. And we bought our towels. So this is for my daughter. She likes gray because she just recently changed all her theme in her room to gray. So the bed, the headboard, everything in our room is gray. So I decided to choose gray for her to complement her theme for the season. So I got this for myself. They are all sold for 14 euros and they're big ones. So it's bath sheet they called it here. So it's 14 euros. This is for me. I'll have this for myself. Yeah. And this is for my little boy. My last born. It's not a little boy, but I call it a little boy because he's my little boy. He's over 14. So this is for him. And I bought this for my big boy. This is his own. All 14 euro each. And I bought insole. This is gel insole for my shoe, because you know, the nature of my job, it requires me to stand or to like be walking up and down. So to protect my heel from paining, from getting sore, this is it. 10 euros. And I bought my son. Oh, sorry, my battery went off. So I bought my son's iPhone 11 case. That's 20 euros. And yeah, I bought this single duvet cover for my son. And lastly, I bought this pillowcases, 2 euro each. So I bought 4. It doesn't have duvet covers, but just pillowcases. They are beautiful, so I just got 4. That's all I bought, guys. That's everything I bought. I'm boiling chicken. I just want to cook something, so I want to look for something, maybe spaghetti or anything. I don't know what I'm going to do with the chicken, but I'm just boiling chicken now. So I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like what you are saying, and encourage me by subscribing. Grow this channel with me. Please subscribe to my channel. Please promote this channel, tell people about it, share my content, share the videos and everything. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks very much, guys. Bye. I bought this jacket, this winter jacket, for, I think I was showing you guys in the store. It is so heavy and warm. I don't think it's for men. I don't know, and I don't care. I'm going to wear it. Whoa. Winter has no place. In this season, there is no place for winter. Look at that. It's lovely, actually. So warm. So warm. I'm ready for winter. Come winter, I am ready for you. Look at that. Thank you. See you.